Jasmine got this tripod and let's check it out.
So first things you need to know about this Kendef Concept tripod is that it has a very solid build quality. It's made from aluminum alloy, giving it a strong and professional feel without being overly heavy. So what caught my attention is the stability and versatility. It features a 360 ball head for smooth positioning, quick release plate for fast camera mounting, and it can even convert into a monopod when needed.
Is that Is this a stand? Get yourself this thing, bloody and it's awesome. Follow the chapter.